Introducing the 2022 SEAT Ateca 2.0TDI 115 horsepower SE Plus in vibrant red. With 82,000 kilometers on the clock, this SUV offers comfort, style and safety. Enjoy features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking. The 2.0-litre engine provides power while also being fuel efficient. And the SEAT Ateca comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the 2022 SEAT Ateca 2.0TDI today.